Claire's Tomato by Ed Keller. About the book, little girl learns how to grow tomatoes. Young Claire is full of questions, including about the food she eats. In this book, Claire's Tomato, the author shares her adventures as she sets out to learn about how vegetables grow. She's thrilled about growing her first tomato, but she is concerned about what will happen to it when it is nice and ripe. Children should experience the joy of gardening at every chance they get. Gardening allows kids to learn a variety of practical skills and promote a protective attitude towards everything they see in nature. Teaching children how to grow their own food helps them realize how valuable our natural resources truly are. Having organic, homegrown produce in their backyard that rely on their daily care and dedication instill a sense of responsibility and accountability. All these and more are vividly captured in my entertaining and educational book, Claire's Tomato. Get a copy of Claire's Tomato